how to use WhatsApp on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use WhatsApp on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to use WhatsApp on iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, first of all, make sure that you have downloaded WhatsApp and then you're of course logged into your WhatsApp account. Right when you log in, this is the first thing that you will see. By default, you're on the chat page where you can simply talk to some of the people that you have here, and then you will be able to simply communicate with them if you want to. Similarly, on another occasion, you can simply go ahead and then talk to them. If you want to do a video call, you can do a video call. If you want to go to your call history, you can come here. If you want to come to the communities tab, you can come here. If you come to updates, you should be able to see anything regarding your status. You can come to settings and you can tap on your profile. You can go to some privacy settings and anything else that you'd like to configure from your iPhone. This way you can go ahead and then use WhatsApp on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.